Welcome once again to a new video, and today I'm taking you along to check out a new apartment. Early last year, my nephew, his wife, and my niece came to America, and now a few months later it was time to find an apartment. So today I'm going to give you a house tour and we shall see how much it will cost for the apartment. So come along with me and I'll show you what we got. America is a country many wish to come to either visit or immigrate. Yes, it's a beautiful country, and yes, many dreams are achieved depending on your priorities. So let's continue to our destination. As we arrive, we are shown a model apartment. This is an apartment that is shown to whoever wants to rent an apartment. It gives you details of what you should expect in the apartment you're to rent. So this one is on the ground floor. It has two entrances from the back and the front. So whatever is in this apartment is what will be in the other apartment that is to be rented out. Also note that the furniture in here is just for demonstration purposes only. Note that you get it when you occupy the apartment. So just wanted to clarify on that. So the apartment that will be available will be accessible after 2 months. So basically we have to go get prepared and then make the payments and then occupy the place when the time comes. So I'll give you a tour of the place as we get into it. So here is the laundry area of the apartment. It has a pool, a gym, so that's it. So now here we arrive to occupy our new apartment. So come and let's have a tour of what we've got. As a by the way, do you see how beautiful the environment can be during summer? It's so beautiful that even if you want to keep indoors, you'll always be forced out. So let's step out and just have a tour of the apartment. So now it's time to step out and we go to the apartment. So this is the surrounding, and remember this is going to be on the 3rd floor. The model apartment was on the ground floor, so we entered from the front. So these are the stairs to the apartment. One thing I love about most apartments I've visited here, they are always clean and well maintained. So here we get to our apartment. This is a kitchen, an open kitchen. It's got a stove, like you see. It's got storage. And then we have the refrigerator. It's a small open kitchen. That's a dishwasher there. Okay, it has a counter, beautiful sink. Then we got the fridge. We have the oven here. Okay. More storage. The refrigerator. Very clean and new. Yeah, so at least those are things that come with when you rent an apartment. Most apartments in the US always have those: the dishwasher, the fridge, and then the stove. Now we go to the rooms. This is on your left is the bathroom. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. Yeah, nice and clean. And that is me. Yeah, showing you the apartment. So let's have a tour. So that's the bathroom. This is the bathtub. Yeah, I think. Yeah, nice and clean. Then we have, remember this is a 2-roomed apartment. So direct there is a 1 room. And then this is, the 1 room is here. Yeah, so this is it. Next is a large window that brings in a lot of daylight. So this is from the outside, from upstairs. So this is it. Looks good. Yeah. This is a closet for this room. Yeah, simple closet. So that is the 2nd room. It has 2 windows, small one and a large one. So this is the outside through the window. Of course, a parking lot for most of the tenants. All the tenants have parking spots. Yeah, that is a dresser. I have a closet here. Yeah, so each room has a closet. Yeah, and a large window. So this is a closet for this other 2nd room. Yeah, that's it. And back to the living room. Still setting up, Yeah, so that is a TV, not yet unboxed. The dining is there. So out here is a balcony. Yeah, so tell me down below, how good is the apartment? Do you like it? Would you rent such an apartment? Yeah, so this is what the surrounding looks like from above. For your information, Massachusetts is among the states with a high cost of living in the United States. But at the same time, it's a state that one can easily find a job and start a living. So at the end of the video, I'll let you know what the cost was for this apartment. Otherwise, subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.